Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to try to fix the contact problems between this phone's pins and the battery. Well, this actually his battery is the thickest, medium thick and less thick. Well, when it comes to phone words, less thicker is better. So yeah, they all work on one another. This is from a 6310, this is from a 6210, and this is from this one, the 6150. I think this battery is also dead. Yeah, let's change it. See, phones. Look, one line at the battery. Now if I push it, it shows. If I don't, it doesn't. Is it a screen problem? No, it's from the battery. So let's begin. And apparently this phone has been tampered with. I don't like that. Man, there's no resistance whatsoever. Wait, well, hold on, 1 second. These were really loose. These screws are all loose. Maybe that was only the problem, but I don't think that's just it. Oh my god, something fell off. This is the... Oh, I think this is broken. Whatever. Yeah, it's broken from here. Nothing a little super glue can fix. What's the... Oh man, come on, not on the magnet. Oh, the earpiece. Alright, put it here. And since I'm doing this, I'm also going to clean it properly because, well, you know me. Come on, get out. There we go. Wait, I can actually take this off. Alright. Good. Much easier to clean now. This is rubber. Because this is the power button. Okay. Okay, next. Here are two other screws. Wow, all tech. Oh yeah, that time when they had the dual main boards. Oh, it also has infrared on the top. Nice. Will this come off if I say please? Thank you. Wait a minute. Oh, this is plastic and rubber. Nice. I don't know where that came from. This is this a battery? Dude, is this a internal battery? Oh man. And this is metal? Or just I'm not going to scratch this. No, it's just painted plastic, but I think this is some sort of special paint, so I'm not going to tamper with it. I see no problem here. This is the connector for an external antenna. Let me show you the main board. 1998. Intel. Wait, let me put it like this, I'm an idiot. So, 1998. Intel. Interesting. Samsung A lot of mixed components. What's this? This is the antenna? No, not the antenna, the processor? I don't know what this is. Do you know what this is? Also, they are soldered in this position. One more to the left, one more to the right. Weird. Oh, this is where the... Where's the microphone? No, here it is. Now let's look at this one. The display part. Can I take the display out without breaking it? That would be awesome. You don't need some special tool for this, just a special hand. Ha, get it. Okay. Oh boy, I don't like these type of connectors. I don't like those. But whatever, what's done is done now. Not much cleaning needed, but I will do it anyway. On the inside, on the outside, it needs a lot of cleaning. I pulled it more out. Okay, first line of business, the cleanup. I'm going to make a before and after comparison. This is how it looks before I clean it. Well, here are the body shells now. Cleaned them as much as I could. Only has a one big scratch here. Other than that, it's in good condition. These two were cracked, actually were torn from its shell, so I glued them. Those two were also cracked, and I glued them as well using a strong glue. And this was the hardest part to be cleaned. I mean, took me about 20 minutes to clean just this part. So let's get back to assembling this phone. Apparently, even this old phone has an internal battery, which is odd. Don't know why this is here, but whatever. I don't think they would listen to you back then for ads, you know. That's why I find it suspicious, but whatever. Putting in the microphone. How was this part? going in, oh, like this, eh? Yeah, just like this. There we go. These are the worst type of connectors. Well, and the ones that are soldered. I don't like those, but whatever. Good. Yeah, something like this. Let's put the buttons back in. Would you look at that? There we go. Off here and out of here on any occasion. Now you two, okay, stay out of this then until I can get to you. Second one, good. Alright, back to it again. More than enough. Now, putting back the SIM that I found inside and hoping for the best. Well, what do you know now? Pin code, eh? Now the battery is in good place. However, I tilt it, it won't fall off. It was only a pin problem. See? I don't know if I have a good SIM card here. I don't know where I lose them. It's really annoying. Yeah. I'm going to put a good SIM card in it and charge it and be right back. Alright, I put a Vodafone SIM card in it. One of my SIM cards. Put it to charge. Charge it. Good. I know it doesn't have a pin code, so really, SIM not accepted. Man, this sucks. You mean I've cleaned this phone all for nothing? Well, either way, it wouldn't work, so I had to fix the pins. Borar. So I've managed to unlock it. Now I have the Vodafone card in it. Oh, come on, it's charging. I don't have the proper charger for it. So this is how you open up this phone. Now you know what's inside it, how to clean it, and I also I'm going to leave a link in the description with the program that I used to unlock this phone. I had to do it a couple of times. It took a lot of tries, but it worked. Now the phone has the SIM restriction turned off. No, not this one. It had the mosquito. I want to hear the Nokia too. Robo, what's this? Yeah. Where's the Nokia? TikTok. Where's the Nokia? Didn't have it. Oh wait, I think this was then the standard. Yeah, it didn't have Nokia didn't have its own tune. Well, this is the phone. It has a few scratches here and there, but it's other than that, it's in very good condition, working properly. It doesn't show the SIM signal because, well, the SIM is busted, but at least I can do it. And to show you that I've unlocked it, let me unplug it. So well, it fell right here. It's a Vodafone card. Actually, you can put any card in it now. The restriction is off. The program that I use doesn't need a cable or anything because, well, I don't actually have a cable for this thing. Did it memorize the date and time? See, no sound logo, just the that's what the internal battery is for. So it had it back in the day. Nice. Okay, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, found it useful. Now you know how to open up your phone and what to expect in it. And if you enjoyed it, leave a like. Subscribe to my channel for more daily videos. It really helps me a lot and I really appreciate you doing it. And I wish you a very awesome day or night, like what's now outside. And you are very awesome. Bye bye.